A very good morning to you. How are you all, children? I hope you all are fine. So today once again it's the GK class, and in GK class today we are going to discuss some current events. Okay, so let us begin. As you can see that the first point is Olympic Games 2020 were held from 23rd July 2021 to 8th August 2021 at Tokyo in Japan. So Olympic Games, you all know, they are held after every 4 years, and after 2016 the Olympic Games were supposed to be held in 2020, but due to the spread of pandemic they were postponed, and finally they were held this year between 23rd July to 8th August, and they were held at Tokyo in Japan, right? Coming on to the second point, India finished at the 48th rank. So India finished at the 48th rank in this Olympic Games with a total of 7 medals. Total medals won by India were 7, and this was India's so far best performance. अभी तक ओलंपिक गेम्स में इंडिया ने कभी भी 7 मेडल्स नहीं जीते. इस बार फर्स्ट टाइम इंडिया ने 7 मेडल्स जीते थे, and we all know what were those medals. 1 was the gold medal, 2 were the silver medals, and 4 bronze medals. इंडिया ने 1 गोल्ड मेडल, 2 सिल्वर मेडल और 4 ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीते थे टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स में. Now let us have a look at the medals also which India has won and who all were the proud winners of the medals for our Indian Olympics team. The first one, very known by everyone. It was in news. I think सबको मालूम होगा that Neeraj Chopra, he had won the first ever gold medal in men's javelin throw. अभी तक इंडिया को एथलेटिक्स में कभी भी गोल्ड मेडल नहीं मिला था, बट नीरज चोपड़ा ही वॉन द फर्स्ट गोल्ड मेडल एवर इन द javelin throw. Then we all know Mirabai Chanu. She won a silver medal in the women's weightlifting, right? Ravi Kumar Dahiya, he won a silver medal in men's freestyle wrestling. Lavlina Borgohain won a bronze medal in women's welterweight boxing. Then PV Sindhu made India proud by winning her second Olympic medal, because she won a silver medal in 2016 also. So this time she has won her second Olympic medal, but it was a bronze medal and in the women's single badminton tournament. Then Indian men's hockey team was the proud bronze medal winner after 41 years. So it was after a long time of 41 years that Indian men hockey team won a bronze medal. The last medal was won by Bajrang Punia. He also won a bronze medal in the category of men's wrestling event, right? So this was all about Olympics. Now let us see some other important events from our country as well as across the world. Sadbhavna Divas, it is celebrated on 20th August every year, and it marks the birth anniversary of former Indian Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. So India's Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, who died in a bomb blast, his birth anniversary, which is on 20th August, is every year celebrated as Sadbhavna Divas. Coming on to the next one, we have nowadays children, न्यूज़ में हम लोग बहुत तालिबान वर्ड बहुत सुन रहे हैं. हम देख रहे हैं कि अफगानिस्तान में बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम हो रखी है. Now what is actually it is? Now तालिबान means students in Pashto language. So तालिबान जो है वो पश्तो लैंग्वेज का वर्ड है which means students, and this is a group of people who consider themselves as Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. Taliban is a group of people who consider themselves as religious people of Afghanistan, and they were having a fight of 20 years. From 20 years they were fighting, and now they have won over Afghanistan and taken the whole country under their control. So these Taliban, they have taken whole of the Afghanistan under their control. Now Afghanistan is totally under their control. Now because of this, the other people who are living in Afghanistan, इसकी वजह से जो अफगानिस्तान में दूसरे कंट्रीज के लोग जो रह रहे हैं, दे हैव बीन इन फियर. उनको डर लग रहा है कि तालिबान में किल देम. सो इसीलिए ये लोग अपने अपनी कंट्रीज को वापस लौट रहे हैं. डेली इन द न्यूज वी ऑल्सो हियर कि इंडिया में अफगानिस्तान से इतने लोग आए, बिकॉज दे आर हैविंग अ फियर कि अगर वो अफगानिस्तान में रहे तो उनकी लाइफ डेंजर में है. दे आर अनसेफ ओवर देयर. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस दे ऑल आर रिटर्निंग टू देयर ओन कंट्री. Coming on to the sixth point now, children. India celebrated its 75th Independence Day this year on the theme Nation First, Always First. So this year India ने अपना 75th Independence Day मनाया. We all know about it. और इस बार जो theme थी that was Nation First, Always First. And the main highlight of this Independence Day was Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. And many of you have taken part in this, isn't it? आप सभी लोगों ने भी नेशनल एंथम गाते हुए अपना वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करके भेजा है. And for this effort you have received a certificate also. So ये जो प्रोग्राम था इसका नाम था आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव. जितने लोगों ने भी अपने वीडियोस भेजे हैं नेशनल एंथम के, दे ऑल वर डिस्प्लेड ड्यूरिंग द इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेशंस, राइट? कमिंग ऑन टू द लास्ट वन, चिल्ड्रन, वी ऑल नो दैट फ्लड्स आर अफेक्टेड अ लॉट दिस ईयर. इस बार हमारे देश में फ्लड्स बहुत ज्यादा आए हैं और सबसे ज्यादा जो स्टेट्स फ्लड से इफेक्ट हुए हैं, दे आर असम, महाराष्ट्र, बिहार, वेस्ट बंगाल, उत्तर प्रदेश, राजस्थान, कर्नाटका, मध्य प्रदेश, हिमाचल प्रदेश and Uttarakhand. All these states have been affected by floods. There were cloud bursts and landslides in many of these. We have heard a lot of landslides occurred, a lot of cloud bursts occurred in these states, and because of which hundreds of people have died and many more went homeless. Because of these floods, many people, they lost their homes. So children, these were some important incidents which happened in our country as well as in the world during the past few months. And I hope if you are listening to the news, you must have heard about all these things in the news also. So now your work is that you will be writing all these current affairs in your green files. You will be noting down these current affairs, and from these current affairs you will be framing out questions on your own. आपको पता है एग्जाम में करंट अफेयर्स में से क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. मैंने आपको स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म में दिए हैं. आप लोग अपने आप क्वेश्चंस फ्रेम करके रखेंगे सो दैट इट इज ईजियर फॉर यू. यू कम टू नो कि हर करंट अफेयर में से क्या क्या क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, राइट? आई होप आई एम क्लियर एंड यू आर ऑल्सो क्लियर विद दीज करंट अफेयर्स. टिल देन, हैव अ नाइस डे.